Hello students, we are going to see this poem Garden Snake. You all know about snakes. If you have ever been to village or even a zoo, you must have seen snakes there. But it is a special kind of snake, that is garden snake. They live around your house and they are not so dangerous. However, whenever we think about snakes, we think they are poisonous, they are dangerous. But here, as we are talking about garden snakes, they are not dangerous. Have you ever seen a snake fighting a mongoose, or getting into a hole, or swimming in the river? Everyone, almost everyone, believes that snakes are dangerous. Some are, most are not. Read this poem on a harmless garden snake. So, not always all the snakes are dangerous. Some are even harmless, as the garden snake mentioned in this poem. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. But mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. We know that snakes are dangerous, but we don't know that the snake which live around us, not all of them are dangerous. Some are even helpful for us. They eat insects for food, and in that way they help us. So the poet is writing here, I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. He also has heard the same thing, that all the snakes are dangerous. But his mother knew. His mother says that particular snake is not dangerous, that is good. Why? Because it eats up insects for his food and it doesn't harm any human. So, when he wiggles in the grass, I'll stand aside and watch him pass, and tell myself there is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. So, in the first sentence, when he sees a snake, he runs away. But now when he has come to know that particular snake is not dangerous, now he has come to know that all the snakes are not dangerous, some are even harmless. So, now he does not run away, he is not scared of them. So when he wiggles in the grass, when he hears or when he feels that snakes are around him, he does not run away. I'll stand aside and watch him pass. He will just stand there and let the snake pass, and tell myself, and then he will tell himself that this garden snake is harmless. There is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. So it's not harmful to let him go. It is correct. It is not a mistake that I'm letting him pass. So he is talking to himself, and then he lets the snake go its way. And the poet of this poem is Mariel L. Soni. You have to remember the name, okay, the writer's name. All the chapters, I always ask you to learn the names of writers and poets. So this poem tells us how sometimes our thinking can be wrong, and how experienced people can tell us what is correct. Pick out the line. Okay, first of all we will talk about the rhyme scheme of this poem. I saw a snake and ran away. In the second sentence, say, then good, then food, then grass, pass, mistake, snake. So, if we consider the first line to be A, the second will be A, because away and say they rhyme. Then the third one is B, but mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So, food and good, they also rhyme. So, A, B, B. In the same way, A and B, B, or maybe C, D, D, because they are all rhyming. So the rhyme scheme of the poem is A, BB. Pick out the line that suggests that the child is afraid of snakes. It's very easy. The very first sentence. I saw a snake and ran away. So he was afraid of snake. Okay, so you just have to learn the poet name and all the question answers, and please write down the poem in your notebook and learn it also. Okay, that's all for now.